4 cans already starting to smell. You don't want to smell that, but this one is still fresh. Before weeding,
hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less.
I think that's enough weeding for today. I will just maybe leave them to dry a little bit, and then next time we come here for composting, we will mix them up with whatever fruit and vegetable scrap we have. Next is composting. We are probably going to use this line to do the composting, since it's far from the root of these plants and we didn't plant anything on this side yet.
Hanging on, walking tall.
I made the hole a little bit deeper this time because the scrub we have has been in the kitchen for a couple of weeks now and starting to smell already. We don't want to attract gnats and bugs and flies, so I think the deeper the hole, the better. These 4 cans already starting to smell. You don't want to smell that, but this one is still fresh, so that's why the deep hole. I'm gonna bury these first, cover them and maybe press the soil, and then maybe leave this one a little bit shallower, even though these are going to compost faster. No smell. Right, I just did a very sophisticated odor test and it passed, so hopefully that should do. Now this is just gonna turn into nutrition rich soil, and then we will plant something, we'll eat it, and then compost the scrub again, and just cycle will continue. Done for today. Just need to water these a little bit.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less.
Fastest salad.